Hello and welcome to Tooltime TV. I'm Glyn, this is my workshop, and today I'm going to do a restoration on this majorly long flattened screwdriver. Let's see how we get on at the bench. So I bought this off a car boot last Sunday, and it was quite unusual because the length of that, it's, you know, you don't really get in that, you don't really see in that long, do you? Let's double check what size that is. That's the length of the blade is 41.5 centimetres, and it's 55 centimetres long. Now what sort of a job would that be used for? I don't really know. I paid £2 for it on the car boot. Well, I don't think there's any maker's marks on it. There's some like, I think it's been modified. Some like flat ends on it there around the handle. Probably stop it from rolling, but the tip's in really good condition. It's quite straight. Might be sound a little bit of a bend in that, but I'll get that out. I'm going to take this over to the wire wheel. So let's see how good we can get this looking. Take over to the vise. Now it does have like a slight bend in it, so I'm just gonna, you see that, I'm just gonna ease that out in here. Only slightly there. See that? Just a tiny bit there. Just there. Probably get that just by squeezing it. There we go. See that? Not bad at all, that, is it? So on the handle, we're just going to scrape the handle with a single-sided blade, just to get like the grime off it before we sand it down. Then what I might do is I might put some beeswax on this handle. I usually put some boiled linseed on it, but I'll go a bit of a change and see how that looks. Or I might stain it. I'll decide that when I've got all this. So how it comes up. If it comes up looking nice, I might just leave it raw. Like I say, with just some boiled linseed. Anyway, just leave this with me. That's how this comes up. Now what I'm going to do, that's come up pretty well, that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some masking tape around that ferrule. Like I say, there's no I don't see any maker's marks on it. Can't see anything down here. If you have any idea what sort of job that would be used for, leave it in the comments, because it's unusually long. So I'm just going to put some masking tape, like I say, around this ferrule before I get the sandpaper out. I don't want to scratch it up. Right, not too bad. We'll get some sandpaper. So this is just 120 3M sandpaper. I'm just going to give this a good sanding over and so it comes up before I decide what to put on it. I wonder what that handle's made of. Would it be beech? Quite light. You can see there where they put the where they flattened it. See there? It's only on two sides. It's not all the way around. It's modified to a certain grip. Coming up well, isn't it? Just going to buff up a little bit more on this Scotch wheel. Just get a little bit more of a shine onto it. See that? Just brings it up a little bit better, doesn't it? Not like a perfect shine, but bring it up a little bit more. You got with me? Just going to clean it with a little bit of alcohol. I get any dirt on right off it. Same with the handle. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put some beeswax on it. And the handle on this doesn't need any work done to it. Absolutely fixed firm. Let that dry a minute. And I'm going to add some beeswax. But look at that, how that's come up. Yeah. Straight back. This is just clear beeswax. I'm going to add to it. Cloth. The magic cloth. It's just clear. And that'll just protect it. Just like the finish on that. Natural look. A bit more in. Can see how it's meant to go a little bit more richer, the wood. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a bit of a polish, let that soak in a little minute. Right, I'm just going to let that soak in for a bit. I'm going to give it a bit of a polish off. Let's give this a polish now. probably do this a couple of times, but you can see the difference in that handle, how much richer it's gone. And what I'm going to do is, just going to put a bit more, just going to put a bit of wax actually on the metal. That protects that as well. There we go. So this can't go in my toolbox. It's too big, so I'll have to go on the wall. What do you think of that? Loads better that. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe and hit that bell. Brilliant.